If you're getting close or over your 90-day Schengen limit and you really don't want to do a long drive to Turkey or Albania, here's a Schengen Shuffle hack. It's a trick long-stay travellers can use to add days without the miles. Instead of driving across Europe, just drive to an airport with cheap flights to the UK. This can sometimes be as low as €15 each way. Fly back to the UK for a week and take those days out of your allocation. Stay at home with friends, family, wherever. Those days outside the Schengen zone start pushing older days out of your rolling 180-day window, and when you return, boom, you've freed up 7 extra days in your allowance. No marathon road trip is needed. It's simple, it's legal, and it gives you Schengen breathing space when you need it most. And if you want to know exactly how many days you've got left, Track 90 does the mathematics for you. No surprises, no overstays, no spreadsheets. Save this trick, use Track 90, travel smart, and enjoy your stay.